We're matchy-matchy, girly! Yes! Besties forever! Look who's here! My crush!
Come on, man.
Wow! Guess I have a new crush, too!
You again. Move.
Huh?
Yeah, this is our spot.
You can't do that! You wanna fight? I'll give you a fight! This is not acceptable!
What the?
Weren't expecting this, huh?
I'm not scared.
What's happening?
Earthquake!
Well, I'm scared now!
Huh? Watch out!
Whoa! What are those?
Huh? Space boxes?
Wow! It's raining dollhouses!
Guess the makeover challenge is on.
Oh, I'm so gonna win this.
I wouldn't bet on it, cause I have the perfect renovation plan. You know my motto, it's paint it black. That song is literally my anthem. This is incredibly satisfying. Glitter belongs to everyone, and black glitter will make my roof look like the starry night sky.
Hey, it's almost time!
Huh? Oh, it totally slipped my mind. You really want to go, huh? Well, here's your ticket.
Yay! Thanks! Bye!
Have fun! I'll be here when you return.
It's my turn! They say one can never catch a rainbow? Well, watch me! Can't get any better than this!
Whoa!
Now watch! My dollhouse will reflect my colorful personality. Yay! But now it's time! Oh, I see. You want this, I assume. Yep, thanks. I'm out.
Didn't expect to see you here.
Let's just ride.
The chimneys fit the rest of the roof.
I'm going with a more magical vibe. Cute!
I don't think I like this ride. Rockstar energy!
Unicorn luck! Don't worry, I got you!
Hey, a little bling-bling wouldn't hurt.
That was so fun!
I know, right?
We're back!
Wow, look at these houses!
You like them?
We've been working really hard on this renovation. Mine looks much better, though.
They both look great. Yoo-hoo! You wanna play?
Sure do.
Catch!
You're really good at this. What's going on?
Looks like they became friends.
I like hanging out with you.
Same. Aw, what a romantic plot twist.
Nah, no way!
Ugh!
No more playing around. A fence will keep you separated.
I can't believe he's doing that!
I don't want to be separated. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Oh, now you can't even see my garden!
Huh? Well played.
Thanks.
I'm not talking to you anymore. No, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I don't accept your apology. I know how I can make it up to you. Look what I got.
Wow.
I knew you'd like it. Let's park it right here. I want to take it for a test ride. So cool. Hey, check out my ride. Forget her! Here's your lounge chair. And lamps to light up the night. Sorry, I'm daydreaming. Let me look. Wow, I love what you did.
Oh, hang on. I'm thinking of something. Want some refreshment in the meantime? It's strawberry lemonade, your favorite. That was good. And inspiring. I have an idea. Not a single straw will go to waste. Ta-da! Yay! So fun! A must-have for my garden.
Wow, I love seeing her so happy.
Girl, you need a cool ride too. Just don't forget to wear your helmet. Yay! So peaceful. Look at this cutie. Here's a snack for you, little one. Aw, adorable. I don't want to ever leave.
Hilarious. Hey! Hey-oh, yoo-hoo! I got you your own home theater system! A comfy chair to watch movies, and a bed made for punk rock dreams!
I could use some sleep indeed.
What's that?
I'm dreaming of my soulmate.
Hey! Some popcorn while you watch something?
Good thinking. Oh, this scene is hilarious!
Oh, that's my favorite! Sleep, bud. It was a tiring day indeed. In the meantime, I'll make some finishing touches to the decor.
I'm tired. I want to lie down. Right. I'll get to it. Here's a cozy, comfortable, and soft bed for you. Yay! Great! Thanks! And the rest of the bedroom? Worry not. I'm on it. A chic vanity for skincare and beauty routines. And of course, your mini products. My fave is the red lippy. Classic. Plants make every room feel alive. And this will be your reading corner. Yay! I love it! But more importantly, what do you think? So amazing! So us! I'll fix my makeup. You do that, girl. And I'll get to fixing these windows. The new curtains need to fit the rest of the vibe. So, these will be perfect. Shiny, colorful, and dreamy.
Huh? What's that? Curtains? Can't believe I forgot about them. Can't fall behind on this renovation. There we go. Edgy is my middle name. One look at these and you'll know this house rocks.
Here comes the rest of the living room furniture. Each piece adds a little more personality to the space. This room is making me smile already. It feels so cheerful and full of energy. Colorful tablecloths for fun dinner parties. Bold colors. Big statements. Nothing here that won't catch your eye. It'll feel like living inside a painting. Or a fairy tale storybook. You decide. Pop Art Museum internal design achieved! Yep, approved and appreciated. I'll enjoy everything my new living room can offer. I can't stop looking at it. Who's the cutest? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Aww.
What?
Huh? Nothing. The glittery style? Not so much. It's like a vampire library. A few horror stories belong here. Being punk doesn't mean skipping skincare. Tough on the outside, cozy on the inside. All done. Chicken burger, my favorite. Yay, so glad.
We did it! The renovations are officially complete!
This is exactly what I imagined I would do.
Same! I'm so proud of my work.
The contrast between the styles is wild, though.
Agreed! I love how unique they both are. Something's still missing.
Huh? Psst! Come on, help her! Me? How? Okay. Hey, maybe this'll fix that.
Oh, wow! For me? I wasn't expecting that. Thank you, you're so kind. This'll look perfect over here. Yep, it was made for that corner.
Glad I could help.
Whoa!
Your eyes are the most beautiful.
A dream come true. I could get used to this.
They're adorable.
They're my favorite couple.
Look.
Bye!
See you later.
Aw. Maybe we could be…
A couple too?
You read my mind.
This is my favorite seat in the world.
Right next to you.
Make way for the queen!
Aw, and ew! I need disinfectant wipes.
Unboxing time!
Let's see.
Wow! Dollhouses for both of us!
So cool! I love it already! This has so much potential.
Couldn't agree more. I'm already getting ideas myself. My Barbie is ready to move in.
Oh yeah? My Ken belongs in here. Alright, welcome to your new home, buddy. Are you for real?
Yeah, I kinda hate it too. We need a renovation list.
Whoa! Look at that checklist. Ken does not hold back.
Looks like we're gonna have to upgrade everything. How fun!
I wasn't aware they had magic.
It's official. We are in a challenge.
Alright, game on.
Roof comes first. Brainstorming here. Aha! I know what to do.
What?
Magic!
Give me!
No, it's gold, which means it's mine.
Fine.
Stress eating, I see. I get it. It's because you know I'll win. I mean, look at my roof. Ain't no way anyone can top this. That one was extra. Hey!
What? Huh? Wow. Okay, my turn to shine. This will both add shine and insulation. Clever, right? The best part? It's so easy to work with. Done. Look.
I admit, it's not bad. We'll be the judge.
Quality control. Many things to consider. Interesting choice.
It's shiny. I like shiny. There's something here.
Come on now. Don't keep us waiting.
Love.
Approved.
I'm so glad. What's next? Windows and walls.
Okay. Walls and windows really define the space.
I want it to feel bright, open, and luxurious. What's happening?
Strike a pose. Yeah.
Whoa. Can I borrow the camera?
Nuh-uh. Cheese.
Ugh, rude. Bring me the thing.
Here.
Do it. Show him.
Gladly. What? Whoa. Are you talking about?
Better I show it than explain.
Wow. I need that to be mine.
If you hand me the camera,
Take it.
I knew he would come around.
Haha, worth it.
Yay! Bestie selfie. Hey, let's take a selfie together.
Wait, I'll fix my hair. Never mind, I always look cool.
Wow, these photos are amazing. This one's my favorite. No, wait, this one. And printing. Well, these are going straight on the wall. I'm adding a few more. Here it is, the wall of memories. Wow, you get me. Happy to make you happy. Huh? What? Oh, you mean this? That's a great idea. I'll get myself a new golden bracelet later. This one's my gift for Barbie's new home. And this one, and this one. My Barbie deserves only the best. The chains will catch the sunlight and make everything feel warmer.
Huh? Hello? Yeah, 360. What? The challenge? Remember? Oh, right. Don't worry. Your curtains will be ready in no time. This will give the house a modern feel. Making something sleek and futuristic to suit your vibe. All done. Told you I could do it quickly. It is low-key giving club vibes. Gotta make one more for the second window. It's not enough. I want that. Huh? My disco ball? Oh, wait. Okay, I see the vision. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Haha. The mirrors are gonna bounce the light everywhere. And hey, mirrors make the space feel bigger. This is decoration rule number 1.
Walls and windows? Check.
We're getting really good at this.
I say we're pros already.
Yay! And looks like they agree.
Yeah! What do we have next? The living room. Well, it needs to be cozy and dripping in gold. Literally. Take this too! Why not? More is more. Let's do this properly. Safety first. This is how you build a throne. I'm not playing around. We're going custom. Mission couch completed. Comfort meets couture. This just elevated the whole room. More gold? Always. Details matter. Well, she needs an actual throne too. And that's how you finish a room. Wait, it's missing something. The chandeliers are the crowns of the room. The whole area is so well lit. And, everything is so perfect. I can't wait to have guests over in my new living room.
Cool. Huh? Don't be mad. I'm thinking. The pressure is too much. Panicking isn't helping. Wow, Maybe it does, because I have an idea. A solid gold couch? No thanks. Nobody's back can survive that. This is way softer and smaller. You're always complaining. Okay, I see your point. I can easily make it bigger. See? Done. So, how about now? Much better. Let's decorate the rest of the room. Everything needs to match, duh. I'm building a whole aesthetic here. The room will be the hangout spot for all the cool people. Finished! I'm so proud of this. This room is made for parties. And obviously, I'll be the star of every single one.
Well, Barbie's room is all about elegance and royalty. Yes! One by one, we're crossing them off.
Bedroom's next!
Oh, okay. Why is it suddenly so hot in here?
Must be something wrong with the AC. Yeah, I was right. Let me try to fix it. It's not working. Wait a minute. Where's Ken? Huh? Where did you get those? And it's my favorite flavor. Hey, sharing is caring. Oops, no more left. Ugh, you're so rude. Well, apparently it was ant-sized. Anyway, let's make it bigger and use it for crafting the coziest bed ever. I have the power to duplicate things. Simple materials, smart design. That metallic finish gives it a futuristic touch. And an open wardrobe for Ken's stylish clothes. It will make it so much easier to pick the outfit of the day. I'm loving this setup so much.
My turn. Let's browse. Oh, wow. This is definitely a need. Yeah, this can't miss these two. If it's shining, it's ours.
Awesome!
Incredible! Everything looks just right.
Yay! Thanks!
Aw, hooray! We only have one more thing left on the list. Hey!
Huh?
What?
Whoa! Did he really just order all that? You bet I did! Don't keep us waiting. You may begin. Chop chop!
You got it.
Don't touch the silvers. They're mine!
And the gold stone's mine.
These look like they are pieces of moonlight.
And these like sunlight.
I'm almost done.
Well, same. And ta-da!
The yard still needs something.
I know what.
Wow! Good thinking! And I'll add some silver shining diamonds. Voila! Gemstone magic. So, what do you guys think? You like it?
Come on, tell us already.
Well, I for one think we really did a great job.
I agree. Let's hope they agree as well.
Just look at these details.
Yep, we really put so much thought and effort into them.
I think it's perfect. Phew!
Home sweet home. Yay!
Congrats!
Great job, honestly. We completed every task. What a challenge.
It was so fun!